washcloth in a form for a turtle. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to draw our hands. I'm going to measure the size. Okay, okay, not so big, just take it a little bit bigger. Okay. I have here my terry cloths. We're gonna measure that the same, and I'm gonna use my just like this. Measure it out. Okay, we're gonna cut this out with our scissors. Okay. This is it done. Now we're gonna cut out I want to cut out the feet. I will use also terry cloth, but in the color white. Okay, that's second size. I'll cut that out 4 pieces, just like this, because I want to use the feet just like this. And we have also the head on the ups for my turtle. Okay, let's give him a shape. Okay, I draw the feet, and I'm gonna some pins. this. Got a little bit bigger, about a half centimeters off the line. Because we're going to use sewing machine. Just like this. Now I have 4 pieces. And I sew them up and sew them pick them up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse them from inside out. Now it is very difficult because it is very small. Push them with your finger, all the edges. You can use also a scissor, but be careful, don't open a small, push it only. Now you will see it's great, and I will do off the camera. Cut the head, 3 of them. Made this just like a chabron was licked, and I cut it out. I turned my, it was so, I turned it upside down because the inside I'm gonna use to make the eyes, just like this. And when I pull them outside, and it will fit just like this. Okay, measure them about here. Okay, I'm gonna use my sewing machine again to put some of the eyes. Okay, if you see, I stick the top. If I now turn inside out, we'll see here. And that's my head. It will come here, just like this. And the feet will come here, one side, other side, this side, this, and you have a turtle. Okay, now up to the upside. From washing my hands, what we're gonna do is just like this, another one what I did before. Pull this upside down, because this is so. Okay. The good side is inside and bad side is outside. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna create just like my turtle, the back of my turtle. This should be, if I put this, the head here, this is the upside, the feet will go here, 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 and here. Then you have a turtle. Okay, let's do that. I stick that up just like this. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna use the head here, and what we're gonna do is stick this up around. I stick up my washing hand. Now you see here is my washing hand turtle. How cute is that? Look, this is the end product. Very cute. Okay, it was fun to make. Subscribe downstairs, thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.